Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive move. Now, I get it, yes. The price did pull back from its highs, but still, where it closed to where it was just yesterday, still not nearly as nice as it could have been, but relatively speaking, overall, a good solid day, which brings about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this? You know, is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around down here at 7.5 cents. Why is 7.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 7.5 cents. If the price were to come down here to 7.5 and then just continue to go down, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing? Well, that would be putting the price literally right back inside of that range where it was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down, however, in this situation, behaves like this and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 7.5 cents. On the flip side of things, what about levels of resistance? Main level of resistance going forward is going to be all about that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. Price did temporarily get up above it, so that was a nice sign of strength. Problem was, price never really stayed up above it that long, and then after the price fell below it, you can see price tried to get above it right there, and it went right back into acting as resistance. So I'm not saying the price can't get above the 200 period, but apparently the price is really going to have to bring its A game to not only break above that level, but stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Now, you know, the conversation definitely switches over to, you know, a nice move has happened, but now can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.